Are you weary today? If you are weary, I want you to do these 3 things. Just do these 3 things before you do anything else. Number 1, please seek help. Help is important because that other person can help you to make sense of why you are feeling so weary and help you to speak and say what is causing you to make you weary. Remember in school we used to have a body system? Have one. You are not too old to have a body system. Someone you know who's going to drop everything they are doing to talk to you when you are weary. So the first thing is to find help. Find help. The second thing to do is pray. Wherever you are, wherever you're sitting, standing, pray. Pray to whomever you pray to. Pray for whatever you want to. But pray. Prayer changes things. When you pray, you are taking an action. Action changes things. Number 3, regroup. Regroup with positive people and positive things. Find positive movies that's going to make you laugh. Find positive people who are going to have your back. People who are going to listen to you, but people who are going to comfort you while you are regrouping. Regrouping takes time and effort. Do not blame yourself for feeling and being weary. There is a lot going on, and it's easy to get triggered by what is going on. Do these 3 things and keep putting one foot in front of the other every single day. Whether you take 1 step or 2 steps, just accept that for the time being, because you are regrouping. Life is what we make it. All of us are different. We all handle situations differently. Don't try to be like the next person. Just be a better version of yourself. Because at the end of the day, you cannot get away from yourself. You have to live with you. And that is why the first step is to seek help. Because when you are playing you in your head all day, it can become overwhelming. Today's lip color is Wet and Wild, and it is called Raining Rubies. Today's I Am reads, I use my words and thoughts as tools to shape my future. I use my words and thoughts as tools to shape my future. Use your words and your thoughts to empower you, not to tear you down, not to make you weary, but to empower you and build you up and make you stronger. Today's eye look, I am still using my palette from the ice cream box. Always remember you first. Never, ever, ever give up on yourself. I am asking you, please, do not give up on yourself. Seek help, find help, talk to people, ask questions, ask people for help, but do not give up on yourself. Use your words and your thoughts to empower you, not to tear you down. Until I see you and you see me, find 3 words that will empower you today, like now. My 3 words are love, strength, and faith. What are your 3 words to empower you right now? I will see you shortly. Remember to share this video with someone else because it might just be what they needed for today. I sit here and I talk to you as I get the information to share with you. When I get the thought of what I need to say, I write it down. That's it. I don't sit and say, okay, what am I going to talk? It shows up and I deliver. I will see you in the next video very soon. Bye.